Hey there, Mr. Russell here to talk to you about question number 2 from the review yesterday. So we are graphing an inequality, y is less than 2x minus 1. All right, it's in that format of slope-intercept form. So we're going to graph it like we did in chapter 5 with slope-intercept form. Okay, so our first step is to identify the slope and the y-intercept. Okay, so the slope of this line is positive 2, and the y-intercept is the point 0, comma, negative 1. Okay, start by using that information. So I'm going to show it crosses the y-axis at negative 1. Okay, 0, comma, negative 1 is here. And from there, my slope of 2, so I go up 2 and to the right 1. Up 2 to the right 1. Up 2 to the right 1. Okay, now let's draw a line. Now this is where the fun part comes into play. Because we have to decide now 2 things when it comes to inequality. First of all, do we use a solid or a dashed line? And then second, do we shade above or below the line? So in terms of type line, we won't look at the inequality symbol. So since y is less than, not equal to, that tells us we're going to use a dash line. Okay, so I'm going to go over here, go my nice line feature. I'm going to make sure it's dashed because it is not equal to. Okay, go away. All right, so let's extend that line. All right, I'm going to draw it on a little farther to make it red. All right, and to make sure we're being totally detail oriented here, we want to make sure we put arrows on both sides so that line goes on forever. Okay, now that we decided what type of line to use, we have to decide if we're going to shade above or below that line. So since y is less than, that means we want to shade below the line. Okay, the y values are less than that line we graphed. So let's look at where it crossed the y-axis, and I want to shade down from there. So that means we're shading in this whole region over here. Okay. So there you go. That's the solution to number 2.